Hey, it's Brandy and I am back with a quick video share. I am working on some birthday stuff for my kids' Halloween birthday party that they're having in a couple of weeks, and I thought I would share some quick and easy goodie bag toppers. I found these goodie bags in the dollar spot at Target, but I wanted to be able to stuff them with things that were taller, and they only give you like these like cheapy twisty ties, so I wanted to make some cuter goodie bag toppers. So I was going to show you what I came up with. So I just have these two styles. And so here we go. So you'll need a piece of just designer paper that is cut to 4 inches wide and 3 inches tall. I am going to ink the edges because I don't like the white core of the paper showing. So I'm just going to use some black distressed ink in my blender tool and just run along the edges. Really quick here. And then that's all set. And then I'm going to take my piece and putting the 3-inch side up along the top, I'm going to score at 1.5 inches, so it's scored right in half. And then fold it, crease it. So then the next step is to punch the holes. I made a template because I was making 24 goodie bags. So this is 1.5 inches tall and 4 inches wide, which it'll fit the front of my little half piece here. My circles are 1 inch in and 3/4 inch up, and I just used my ruler and marked it and then punched them. And then I'm going to use my crocodile. So I have this big crocodile. I'm using the largest hole, and I'm just going to line it up, punch, keep it lined back up, punch. So that's how I got my holes. And then I just have a piece of like curling ribbon. I bought it at the dollar store. I made mine 15 inches long. So then make it a little easier because I stuffed all of my goodies in my goodie bag. Here I can show you what I put in my kids' goodies bag. So they're having a Halloween birthday party. I apologize if you heard that. That's my cat jumping around in my craft room. So I don't usually put a lot of candy in my goodie bag, so I just put some fruit snacks. I found some Halloween pencils at the dollar store, and I pre-sharpened them. I found some rulers at Target. They always have a ton of Halloween erasers. Both the dollar store and Target carries them. I bought a huge pack of like different variety pack of rings because my kids are obsessed with them. Some stickers from the dollar store and some vampire teeth. Nothing too crazy, something just a little fun. And then so these are gusseted bags, so I'm going to use these two little mini binder clips, or bulldog clips, whichever we would call them, to hold all my stuff together so that I can get a topper on and get it all laced up. So just folding in the gussets, I'm going to take my cardstock piece, push it all the way down so that the top of the goodie bag is at the top of the fold. I'm going to use my bulldog clip to hold that side in place and get this side, hold that in place, and then I'm going to pull my crocodile back in and line up where I pre-punched my holes just so I can get it through the plastic. I just think this looks more finished than putting a staple, but if you were going to put like a thank you sentiment or something on top, which would have been like really cute too, you could have stapled it and then put your thank you sentiment right over, like the strip right over the staple holes. So then you just take your ribbon and lace it through. I'm going to go all the way through on that one. We have a piece of plastic stuck in there. Sometimes the plastic is kind of finicky, but so far I've done 23 of these already, so I've gotten pretty good at it, but sometimes the plastic sticks in there. So then I'm just lacing it up through so that the gold side is flat against the back. Get that twist out. And I'm going to pull it even and make a bow. So these are quick, easy, simple goodie bags. I didn't have to spend a lot of time on them. And it took 2 sheets to do 24. It took 2 sheets of paper. So, tie a little bow, And I'm just going to trim that because it's a little even. So then I can take my bulldog clips off. And so here, let me show you the other style that I did. So I have the delicious ones that I did, and then the good for the last bite. I did an orange paper and then the purple paper. Both of them are from, let me grab it, the Ikeboo EK Success. If you saw my invitation video, it's the same paper collection. That way it all matches. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little goodie bag topper tutorial, and I will see you shortly.